Experiencing frequent reboots with your Verizon Fios TV 1 box can be incredibly frustrating. You're watching your favorite show, and suddenly the screen goes black, the box restarts, and you're left waiting several minutes for it to boot back up. As of 2025, this remains one of the most common technical problems reported by Fios subscribers. The Fios TV 1 box is essentially an Android TV-based streaming device that combines traditional cable TV with internet-based streaming services. The rebooting issues typically stem from 5 main causes: power supply problems, overheating, software conflicts, unstable network connectivity, or hardware degradation. Understanding these causes helps us target the right solutions. Now let's address the problem with immediate solutions. Start with the simplest fix first: the power cycle procedure. This resolves 43% of all rebooting issues according to recent data. Next, check all power cord connections at both ends. Make sure the power adapter is firmly connected to both the wall outlet and the back of your Fios box. Try plugging into a different power outlet to rule out electrical issues. Finally, ensure your box has adequate ventilation. The device needs at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides to prevent overheating. Remove any dust from the vents and avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets or direct sunlight. These basic power cycle procedures have a 43% success rate for resolving rebooting issues. If these immediate solutions don't solve your problem, you'll need to move on to more advanced troubleshooting methods, like checking for software updates. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the rebooting issue, advanced solutions are needed. The first step is to manually check for software updates, which can fix many stability problems. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences, then About, and finally System Update. This path ensures you're accessing the most current firmware available for your device. Allow the box to restart automatically after the update completes. This process may take several minutes, and the device should not be unplugged during this time. If software updates don't resolve the issue, a factory reset may be necessary. This will restore the device to its original settings, but requires complete reconfiguration afterward. Hold the reset button for exactly 10 seconds while the device is powered on. The reset button is typically located on the back or side of the device. Important: a factory reset will erase all your settings, apps, and preferences. You'll need to reconfigure your network settings, reinstall apps, and set up your account information again. Overheating is a major cause of rebooting issues. Proper ventilation and temperature management are crucial for device stability and longevity. Ensure at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides of the device. Remove dust from vents using compressed air and avoid placing the box in enclosed cabinets or direct sunlight. Normal operating temperature should be between 95 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 to 43 degrees Celsius. The device will automatically shut down at 140 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent damage. If rebooting continues after trying these advanced solutions, it's time to contact Verizon support for professional assistance. Contact support if rebooting occurs more than 3 times per week, if you notice physical damage to the device, or if issues persist after trying all troubleshooting steps. The standard warranty covers your device for 2 years from installation. Verizon provides free replacements for confirmed hardware defects, with expedited shipping available for business customers.